Welcome to Review Lab. The best nature gifts for men is probably one of the most thoughtful and versatile presents you can choose, offering a unique blend of practicality, adventure, and connection to the great outdoors that appeals to a wide range of personalities and interests, making it an excellent way to show appreciation for the special men in your life, whether they are seasoned outdoorsmen or simply appreciate a touch of natural elegance in their everyday lives. Number 5. Bonsai Tree Kit. Discover the captivating art of bonsai. This kit makes it easy for anyone to grow their own beautiful miniature trees, symbolizing balance and life. Each tree carries a symbolic message of beauty and life. They surprise, inspire, and delight, making them a thoughtful gift for any occasion. These living sculptures are more than just plants, they are unique and captivating works of art. Elevate any home or office with their natural charm and elegance. Admired for centuries as symbols of harmony and inspiration, they are the perfect way to celebrate new beginnings. Give a gift that keeps on growing and giving. Enjoy a living decoration that adds elegance to any interior. Made with sustainably sourced seeds and reusable materials, it's a beautiful and eco-friendly choice. The philosophy of bonsai reflects mindfulness and inner growth. They provide a natural way to relieve stress and lift the spirit, bringing a sense of calm. Explore the wisdom and beauty of distant lands with these rare varieties. Their movement, rhythm, and proportions offer endless moments of aesthetic appreciation. What we like. If you're looking for a unique and calming hobby, this is the perfect choice. It allows you to cultivate living art while symbolizing balance and growth. Consider this if you appreciate mindfulness and want to bring a touch of nature's tranquility into your home or office. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It features a unique and attractive design. The functionality of the product is excellent. Number 4. 14-in-1 Survival Kit for Men. Looking for the perfect gift for the adventurer in your life? This all-in-one multi-tool kit is an ideal present for anyone interested in the outdoors or preparing for their next adventure. This comprehensive set includes 14 essential functions, such as a wire saw, emergency blanket, flint stone, and compass. It's designed to meet all your outdoor needs, making it an indispensable companion for any activity. Designed for portability, this kit weighs just under a pound and fits easily into your car, backpack, or camping gear. Its foam interior ensures it's both water and shockproof, ready for any challenge. This cool gadget makes an awesome holiday or birthday gift for men, dads, husbands, boyfriends, and anyone who loves adventure. It's also a fantastic stocking stuffer or a thoughtful present for young scouts. Whether you're hiking, camping, fishing, or cycling, this survival kit is your reliable partner. It's perfect for a wide range of outdoor sports and wilderness adventures, ensuring you're always prepared. This versatile survival kit is essential for hikers, campers, and all outdoor enthusiasts. Keep one in your car, backpack, or workplace for peace of mind during any activity or unexpected situation. What we like. For the adventurer or the prepared individual, this kit is a must-have. It packs 14 crucial tools into a small, durable case, ensuring you're ready for any outdoor challenge. If you enjoy camping, hiking, or simply want peace of mind in your car, this is the ultimate gadget. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great. The functionality is excellent, with multiple useful features. Number 3. UpNature Lavender Essential Oil Pure Roll-On. Experience the calming essence of pure lavender with our essential oil roll-on. It's crafted with 100% natural ingredients for your skin. This roll-on provides a natural and soothing sensation. Its gentle formula is perfect for direct skin application. Enjoy the convenience of our roll-on applicator. It allows for easy and precise application whenever you need it. We use only 100% natural lavender oil, ensuring a pure and authentic aromatherapy experience. It's free from artificial additives. Designed for your skin's well-being, this oil helps to calm and refresh. Embrace the natural benefits for a serene feeling. What we like. If you seek natural ways to unwind and de-stress, this essential oil is your answer. Its pure lavender scent promotes calmness and is perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Consider this if you love aromatherapy and need a simple, effective way to find peace anytime, anywhere. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a unique and attractive design. The functionality is excellent and meets all expectations. Number 2. Gourmet World Flavor Seasoning Collection. Embark on a culinary journey with our World Flavor Seasoning Collection. Discover a world of taste, crafted with care. We believe in the best ingredients. That's why our seasonings are non-GMO verified, with no MSG or fillers. Each blend is handmade in the USA in small batches. This ensures the highest quality and freshest flavors for your cooking. Our collection features 6 beautifully designed magnetic tins. They're perfect for keeping your spices organized and within easy reach. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This gourmet spice blend set is an ideal present for any food lover. Elevate your everyday meals with authentic, all-natural gourmet spice blends. Taste the difference that quality makes. What we like. For the culinary enthusiast who loves to explore global flavors, this collection is ideal. These handcrafted spice blends in convenient magnetic tins elevate any meal. If you enjoy cooking and want to add unique, high-quality seasonings to your kitchen, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great gift for men, it has a lot of useful items. The product is well made and the packaging is very attractive. My husband loved it, he said it was the best gift he has ever received. Number 1. Lotus Fun Silver Marquise Jade Leaf Ring. Discover the elegance of this unique open leaf ring. Its intricate design captures the beauty of nature, making it a truly special piece. Each ring is meticulously handmade, ensuring exceptional quality and attention to detail. You can feel the craftsmanship in every curve. Adorned with a beautiful marquise-shaped jade and aventurine, this ring brings a touch of natural gemstone charm. The vibrant green hues are simply captivating. Looking for a unique gift? This stunning piece is ideal for women, moms, or wives, offering a thoughtful and memorable present for any occasion. Embrace timeless style with this olive leaf-inspired ring. Its classic motif adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit, day or night. Crafted from high-quality sterling silver, this ring offers a lustrous shine that complements the gemstones perfectly. It's designed to be cherished. What we like. If you're searching for a distinctive piece of jewelry that speaks to nature's beauty, this ring is perfect. Its handmade craftsmanship and elegant leaf design make it a truly special accessory. Consider this if you appreciate unique, artisanal gifts and want to add a touch of natural charm to your style. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great. The functionality is excellent, with multiple useful features. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.